Hello YouTube!
What's going on, guys?
Welcome to Rate That Brew, a show where we day drink and worry about editing later. Today's episode is brought to you by Steam Whistle.
Steam Whistle. Do you whistle?
How do you say it? Whistle? Whistle?
Whistle. Steam whistle.
Steam whistle? Steam
Steam
whistle.
whistle.
And now for presentation and decor.
We're gonna do the warm rating now.
Time for the warm rating. Alright,
Bottoms up.
let's dive in. You f***ed up, but that went down smooth over here. So my warm rating is going to be this emoji, because this is nice, warm. What's your rating?
Right here.
That's fair.
That's how I feel inside and outside.
That's what your mom said last night. Can you tell me some words that rhyme with whistle?
Jissle, pissle, sissle. Anti-ballistic missile. Bissell.
Shizzle, zizzle, glistle, herpes itchels, gristle,
I got it. I got it.
thistle.
Oh, good for your liver and stuff. And
For maintaining liver health.
yeah.
Yeah.
Like-
Actually, can I have one?
You want them on?
Yeah, please. This one's for you.
Thanks.
If you take 2 of these a day, it helps your liver. If you like to drink a lot of beer, like we do.
Yep.
This actually reminds me, if there's any liver donors out there, we would appreciate any extra livers that you might have.
You're just on standby. Like, we don't need it
Yeah,
right away.
we'll keep them in the fridge, and then
And we're using milk thistle, so we might have a while.
yeah, we might. Hey, Matt,
Yes.
what time is it, bro?
Like 2:30ish.
Incorrect.
Well, what time is it?
It's time for a cold one.
Oh yeah, let's
Yeah,
do this.
yeah.
Oh you.
Do you think?
Do you want one?
I love this part.
It's pretty awesome.
Yours always has so much froth. You have the worst pour.
It's my ultra strong wrists.
L'chaim.
L'chaim.
That's cold.
Oh, that's brisk.
That's even better cold.
Oh my goodness.
I was pretty happy with it warm.
You know what? Very enjoyable both ways.
Yeah, there's no. It doesn't leave like an acidic.
Almost like burning sensation down the throat.
It's very smooth and enjoyable.
It's quite a nice beer.
Quite a nice beer.
Pilsner.
And-
I guess let's be specific.
And it's Canadian. If you're looking for Canada's premium Pilsner,
Think Steam Whistle.
so if I'm gonna rate the Steam Whistle cold,
I'm gonna rate it first.
no, it's mine. Mine's up right now.
No,
I'm the guy editing, so mine's up right now.
it's there.
No,
It
and then-
matches this one. Look. It was brewed at the roundhouse home of steam locomotives that helped pioneer our nation.
Was it?
It was. And Steam Whistle brings you Canada's premier pilsner. Did you know that, Elliot? Yeah, but you didn't because you didn't do any research. You know what else? It was made from natural ingredients like pure tap water. I mean, spring water and malt, barley.
Malt barley.
Don't tell me how it is. Malted barley, hops, and yeast. How much does hops cost? Is it?
Hops.
Yeah.
How much do hops cost?
Yeah. How much does hops cost?
How much does hops cost? Or do hops cost?
How much does hops cost?
How much do hops cost?
How much does hops cost?
How much do hops cost?
How much does hops cost?
How much do hops
How much
cost?
do hops
How much
cost?
cost?
How much do hops cost? How much do hops cost? How much do hops cost? How much do hops cost?
So if you enjoyed our video, for every like
And subscribe.
subscribe, we will be putting $1 into the beer piggy bank to use for the next episode for the beer or brew that we will be rating. Bro, put that fucking in. Put that in. Thank you for watching, and see you next time on Rate That Brew.
Rate that brew.
Rate That Brew.